Airlines in the United States cancelled more than 2,000 flights on Friday after a massive winter storm knocked out power and affected businesses in 12 states ahead of a likely brutal freeze over the weekend. According to flight tracking website FlightAware, a total of 2,058 flights cancelled and 5,846 flights delayed. Southwest Airlines led the list of cancellations with 401 flights, followed by SkyWest at 358. Southwest Airlines said in a travel advisory that some of its flights in Chicago, Detroit, and Omaha could be impacted. The Federal Aviation Administration (FAA) had on Thursday warned that cloud, snow, and wind force could delay flights at certain airports.